If you're hunting for limited edition sneakers or rare styles online, you may have come across Solestarr.com. But with mixed information available online, many shoppers are wondering, is Solestarr a legit site or a potential scam? Let's take a closer look. What is Solestarr? Solestarr LLC is a U.S. registered company with its operational base in Hong Kong, where it handles stocking and fulfillment. The platform caters to global sneaker enthusiasts by offering exclusive and hard-to-find footwear, including factory, overstock, B-grade surplus, and unauthorized authentic UA pairs. Unlike traditional retailers, Solestarr doesn't claim brand authentication. Instead, they use their own internal verification system, Solestarr Verified, to inspect and approve each product before shipping. This hands-on approach allows them to control quality and offer competitive prices to the global sneaker market. Is Solestarr.com legit? Here's what the data shows. Trustpilot rating, 4.6 out of 5 based on 47 customer reviews, with many praising the product quality and smooth delivery process. ScamAdvisor.com trust score, 59 out of 100, which is moderate and suggests caution. The domain is only 1 year old, which may raise concerns for some, especially with newer online stores. Solestarr, single quotes is unique business. Model reselling from overstock and UA sources can create skepticism, particularly for those expecting retail products. However, customers who understand what UA and surplus products are often find value in Solestarr's offerings. Customer experience. Buyers report positive interactions with Solestarr's customer service and appreciate the clear descriptions of each product's condition and origin. Orders are shipped from their Hong Kong facility, and tracking is provided for all deliveries. Final verdict. So, is Solestarr.com a scam or legit? Based on customer reviews and transparent operations, Solestarr appears to be a legitimate reseller for sneaker enthusiasts seeking affordable alternatives. However, it's essential to understand the sourcing model and that items may not come with retail authentication. If you're okay with that, Solestarr can be a solid option for quality sneakers.